In this example, we'd like to know how efficiently we're running one of our machines. We'll call this operational status, and from the list of analytic modules, we'll choose outage reporting. This is the Visual Analytic Editor. You can use it to specify the rules, conditions, and logic that feed into a wide range of analytics. In this case, quite a lot has already been filled in. It takes 3 key factors. If your machine is available, running and required, it then turns those 3 conditions into a single machine state. First, let's deal with the running condition. We don't have a simple on or off signal for this machine, so instead we'll assume the machine is running if its speed sensor shows it's going faster than 10 meters per minute. We'll need to create the logic behind this rule. We right-click the background to open a menu that lets us choose new nodes to add to our diagram. In this case, we want a point of asset data from ARDI. We click on the node and choose the roll actual speed from the list. Next, we add the comparison itself. This is a math node. Finally, we need the value we want to compare against. Fixed values are called constants, and they're found in the basic menu. Once connected, we've finished creating the rule for if the machine is running or not. The logic behind availability is very similar. We consider the machine available if it has power. We'll check the voltage, and if it's higher than 10 volts, the machine is available to run. We'll clone some of our existing nodes to make the process faster. We will use a math node again to compare the voltage to a set value and connect that logic to our diagram. Requirement is a little more complex. In this case, our machine needs to run when either of the 2 systems that feed it, called uncoilers, are running. These assets do have simple indicators that tell us if they're running. First, we'll find the running status of the first uncoiler. Then we'll clone that node and find the same point from uncoiler 2. Then we'll add an OR node that will mean that our machine is required if either one of the connected values are true. And that's our logic. We're ready to put it to use. Once we've double-checked things, we press Save and Visualize in the bottom right corner. After a few moments of calculation, we can see our new analytic at work. The green areas show when the machine has been running. These blue idle areas show small slivers of time where the machine has been running without needing to, probably part of slowing down. If we wanted to eliminate these, we could add a timer in front of the availability node. And these red areas show where our machine has been required but was not running, potentially costing us production time. These aren't just a chart. You can access this information in a variety of formats, so it can be used in other tools like in Excel Power Queries or in custom applications. In this case, we can turn the analytic into a daily report with just a couple of clicks. It's then available to be analyzed by machine learning models and sent to staff every morning.